I invite you now to, if you would like to close your eyes and just imagine yourself sitting on the surface of Mars and listening to the surroundings. So that gentle whirl that happens in the background, that is a noise made by the rover. But yes, what you did hear 10 seconds in was an actual wind gust on the surface of Mars, picked up by the microphone, sent back to us here on Earth. So we have a second one, which basically further reduced the noise of the rover, so you can just hear what the wind would sound like on Mars.
Touchdown confirmed. Perseverance safely on the surface of Mars, ready to begin seeking the sands of past life.
This is it. This is Mars. We're here in our place that we're going to be exploring over the next months and coming years.
Has started. About 20 meters off the surface.
Gives me goosebumps every time I see it. Just amazing. This is the microphone that was part of the EDO camera system.
Has started. About 20 meters off the surface. Perseverance is now slowed to subsonic speeds and the heat shield has been separated. Skycam maneuver has started. About 20 meters off the surface.
We're getting signals from MRO. Tango Delta.
Touchdown confirmed. Perseverance safely on the surface of Mars, ready to begin seeking the sands of past life.